Hello, everyone. Still bothered by high equipment temperatures and noise? The new Gen Intelligent Water Cooling Radiator is designed to solve high load heat dissipation problems. Powerful core specs, 12 kW high power heat dissipation, 0 to 6,000 RPM adjustable speed, 11 liters per minute water flow. User friendly dimensions: 75 centimeters long, 22 centimeters thick, 58 centimeters high, 21 kilograms net weight. Easy to move in place. New Gen large capacity water tank. No need to refill water within 30 days. Suitable for small power and small space apps. 8L water filling capacity, 12 millimeters inlet and outlet diameter. Comes with silicone tube. C14 female socket power supply. Connect to 220V with C13 cable. Super easy installation. Stable test results in 33 degrees Celsius environment for 11 kW consuming server. Temperature stably at 46.6 degrees Celsius. Noise as low as 20 to 75 dB. Suitable for offices and computer rooms. Portable, space-saving design. Supports parameter customization to meet special needs. The new Gen Intelligent Water Cooling Radiator. Efficient and stable equipment heat dissipation.